So my bot is aimed to help when it comes to helping with interview prep, everything like that. It's specially targeted toward marketing and brewery trends, just because that's directly applicable to me. And so looking through the instructions, there's a lot of stuff in there about brewery specific and marketing specific things that I wanted it to be able to help me with when preparing for interviews. So I have 3 questions that I prepared. The first one is going to be, what are the most common interview questions asked in marketing roles at breweries, and how should I structure my answers? One thing that I also programmed it to do was give me an actionable tip at the end, just so that just to kind of wrap up every section that it goes through. And so looking through the first response here, it goes over the most common questions for marketing roles at breweries, gives you a lot to choose from there. It also goes over how to structure your answers, so it gives a bunch of different methods that you can use when it comes to answering those questions. And then it also gives you an example, which is something that I wanted it to do so I could see it in action. And then, like I said, the actionable tip at the very end. And then moving to the second question that I decided to ask it, it's going to be, what skills should I highlight in a brewery marketing interview, and why are they valuable to the company? Just to get a full grasp of, what I should prepare for, what I should know, so that the recruiters know, that I'm knowledgeable when it comes to what they're looking for. So looking at the response here, it's taking a little bit to load here. We have a bunch of different things, key skills that it highlights, whether that's communication skills, attention to detail, analytical and research skills, creativity and innovation. A lot of different skills here to choose from, and then it kind of outlines them underneath. And then it says why these skills are valuable, to directly apply them to my question. And then, like I said, again, the actionable tip at the very bottom, just as a little wrap up on everything that it suggested. And then the last question that I asked it is, what makes someone a strong candidate in a marketing interview for a brewing company? So all of my questions are pretty directed towards marketing and brewing, and so that's where all of the resources it's pulling from are directly those ideas. So for this one, kind of like the other ones, goes over strengths of a strong candidate, whether that's industry specific, alignment with company needs, consumer insights, really gives you an in-depth view of what they're looking for. So that is what my bot was made for.